Hey y'all, this is your girl Monique Nicole. I decided to do a 2021 New Year's look. I really do. I like this look. It was a bit of a struggle, as you'll see later in the video, but I'm trying to get back into my creative spirit and try to dabble in face painting. As y'all already know, I do everything for the first time. Yeah, hopefully I could look back on this day and be like, okay, now I can see what I have done differently and how much I have grown. But for now, this is what you're going to get. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, just continue to watch. Also, make sure you like and share and subscribe this video. All right, y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Monique Nicole, and y'all already know this is your first time tuning in. Just make sure you press that subscribe button and also make sure you click that bell for that notification link, and be a beautiful person, individual like you are, and share this video and share all of my pictures. Also look in my description box so that you can see all of my other social media content and follow me on other social media platforms. So hey y'all, today I am doing something that I always find joy in doing, which is face painting. This is not something I've always wanted to do my entire life, but it is something that I have grown very fond of over the years, and watching other artists, use their face as a canvas. So today I'm going to be doing that, using my face as a canvas. So this is going to be like my new year, you know, face art for the year. I'm going to try doing more of these. I'm going to try to commit to doing at least 4 months, dropping a video at least once a week doing face painting, because I know I do other videos as well. So yeah, let's get straight into it. As y'all already know, this is my first time attempting what I am going to be attempting. So you are going to see the oops and the ouches and the oh my goodness and the WTFs that happens all in this video, because I am a first timer, and I usually do this just to see if I can do it, if it's an idea in my head, or if I have been inspired by another artist, I'm going to try to recreate it. So yeah, for the rest of the video I am going to be doing voiceover, just because it's just a lot easier for me to concentrate on what I'm doing. If you do see me looking down, it's because I have to look in my mirror, y'all, and make sure everything looks at least decent on my end. So yeah, let's get straight into my NYE 2021 look. Hi everyone. So I already have half of my face with makeup on, so you can choose any design that you want to do on either the left side or right side of your face. So the other side of my face has no makeup. I'm just carving it off with like a black eye pencil. Now I'm just going in with some black Snaazaroo face paint, and I'm just taking a regular makeup foundation brush, and I'm just going to apply it all over the side of my face until it's fully covered. Now that it's fully covered and dry, I'm going to go in and just start making random firework paint brushings. I'm just using the color white, and yeah, now I'm just going in with a blue color. You can choose any color, you don't have to use the same palette that I'm using. And yeah, I'm just going to town. Now I'm just putting in a different color. So I'm just basically showing you what I'm doing, and because I really have no set structure on what I was doing, I was just telling myself, yeah, I just hope this works out. Alright, so now I'm just going in with some loose glitter. I was trying to use the white outlining of the fireworks to help guide me on where I want the fireworks to be at. Now with this loose glitter, you definitely need like eyelash glue, not like a glitter makeup adhesive type of glue that you can get from any makeup store, and just apply the glitter on top, and it works very well. I just use like a random, old school eyeshadow brush to apply the glitter on. And actually, that was the NYX glitter adhesive that I used to outline my white marks, which is what I should have used in the beginning. Therefore, I would have had better outlining and better control of my lines. So yeah, I'm sorry. I'm constantly looking down because that's where my mirror is at, because the ring light blinds me if I look directly into my phone to show you what I am doing. But this is all in all, my first time when I'm trying to like get things set up, trying to figure out how I want my station set up so that I can produce more videos for you. So everything's all in trial and error. So hopefully you can keep up with what I'm doing. It's pretty easy. Now I'm just like, freestyling, and I'm just putting glitter wherever I want since my fireworks are done. So hey y'all, this is the final look. Hi y'all, so this is my final look, and yeah, it's cute. I like it. Do I love it? I could see where I could have done a couple things differently. However, I definitely had some fun working with glitter, even though I have it all over the place. So I'll be vacuuming very shortly, and hopefully I can get this all off of my face. So yeah, it was actually kind of easy once I got like the hang of it. The black base with paint, easy. Trying to figure out how to make these pop, I had to think literally on the spot as I was recording, because the paint was doing nice. However, the color really wasn't popping the way how I wanted to pop. I should have used neon colors, which I do have, by the way. But because it's very loose pigmented powder, it was like falling all over the place. So with the glitter, I was surprised. As you can see here, you can see the truth. It actually, worked very well, and it was actually a lot easier to apply. So if you have some like glitter glue, use that. Create your design first, and then use whatever glitter that you have. You don't have to use like an eyeshadow brush to apply it. I just used it because I just couldn't think of anything else on how to apply it. So here is the look. It's giving me, firework vibes, a little sizzle, little razzle dazzle. And over here, I really do like this. I think I'm going to recreate this look for another look. I don't know when or why, but I'm going to recreate this look because I'm really feeling this whole right side action with this color. So we'll see. So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Also, I do want to say Happy New Year's. Hopefully, you stick to all your New Year's resolutions if you have any. I know I have a couple. And also, do something new this year. Step outside of your comfort zone. With my channel, it's definitely something different. And I'm going to continue to just push out whatever I want to push out, instead of putting myself in a box, and just let the world know who I am and what goes on inside of my head. As y'all can see, who knows what I'm going to come up with next. So, and until then, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you want to know more details about this hairstyle, I will definitely put the link to the review to this hair in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check out that video. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do some pictures, and then I'm probably not gonna edit until tomorrow, but I am gonna drop the pictures on January 1st, which is today. So yeah, all right, y'all, bye.